Hey guys, it's Vanessa. I'm holding up this White Elephant event that I have every year, and this time I'm doing it for a charity cause for a young lady named Karen. And it's here at the Omni Hotel in Fort Worth, and I decided to get a suite and have all the food catered and have a lot of people make donations, etc. Anyways, I wanted just to catch you guys up and let y'all know what's going on. Gonna give you a little tour, and then here, when everybody gets here and all the craziness takes place, I will catch you up. By the way, excuse my appearance. It's insane, huh? It looks bananas. Anyways, it's okay because I don't care. I don't care what people think about me. I just want you guys to know where, how things look, and if you ever are in the area in Fort Worth, great view, great prices. Omni's awesome. Here you go. Here's the food tray. A little bit that we had catered, as you can see. There's beer, a little bit of champagne, the room, and everything.